What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio on Behance in order to showcase your artwork. So if you are a freelancer or a full-time worker in design and 3D or stuff like that, you can showcase your artwork or your work on Behance and get more clients. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to the Behance website, that's behance.net here, and you will land on this page. You will see here some examples of work from some people, or from here some freelancers or designers here. And what you want to do is go ahead and log in if you already have an account, or click on sign up to create an account. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on sign up to create my account on Behance. You can sign up with email address and password, and you can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. However, I'm gonna sign up with email. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a temporary email just for the sake of this tutorial. However, you should of course sign up with your main email. And let's create a password here. Okay. Let's have an uppercase letter. Okay, now let's continue. You have to enter some info like your first name, let's enter it, and your last name. Okay, date of birth, let's choose a month, and a year. I'll enter like a random year. However, you should of course enter your correct information. My country, it detects that my country is in Egypt. However, I can change it to whatever country I want to. However, I will let it as it is. Now let's create our account. And now our account is created, and it will ask us some questions in order to recommend creative work. So for me, let's say I'm into graphic design. You can choose more than one. Okay, game design, no. Sounds creative. 3D art, okay, I can do 3D art, and photography. Okay, now let's click on see my feed, and they'll generate examples of work done by other artists or designers in order for you to get inspiration and to see what type of work you can post. Here you'll see a pop-up here of the steps you need to finish in order to continue your Behance account. So I have followed a creative field. I chose some types and categories field. So you can perform a search, start a mood board, and share your own work. So let's close this pop-up here. And what you want to do before creating your main portfolio or submit your artwork and designs, you could go ahead and see what other successful designers are doing in your specific field. So click on hire as if you are like a client who wants to hire designers to design your work. Okay, and here you can choose the type, so services, freelance, or a full-time designer. Let's close this pop-up. Okay, let's choose freelancers. Okay, the payment, all or accepting payments on Behance. Okay, let's leave it all. Now, the creative fields, you want to choose like a category of the work, let's say graphic design. And if you scroll down a bit, you can choose or also filter them by location. So you can leave it as it is and choose see like designers worldwide. Or if you want a local designer, you can choose the country that you want, or select your order country. So for me, I will choose Egypt because I want to see like local designers here. You can also choose the city, enter a city. Now you can also filter them by like tools. So the tools that they use, you can choose someone that works with Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, and so on, or also the schools. So I'll leave it as is. And now you will get some results here, more than 10,000 results, in fact, so that's a pretty good. Now you can sort them by recommended or most followed. So we want to see the most followed or most appreciated designers here to see examples of their work. And let me tell you here, you do not want to copy We aren't doing this to copy someone else's work. We just want to get inspiration and get some ideas of design. So here okay, let's see this one. Okay, this one, Dina. Let's see her profile. And as you can see here, she's a graphic designer. You can see some of her designs, some of her like ads or like comics, some designs. Okay, looking pretty good. So it is a pretty basic like portfolio here that she can use to showcase her work. Now, let's go to share your work here. Let's create a project here. Okay, please verify your email. Okay, let's continue to the editor. For now, we will verify our email later. And here you can add content. You can add an image, text, or photo grid, video and audio, embedded code, Lightroom, prototype, and 3D. So let's add a simple image that we created. And for image, if you want to create simple designs, you can go ahead to Canva, which is of course a great tool that you can use to create some designs, some beautiful designs. And once you create your design and you can wanna add an image right here. So I'll add this image as an example. Of course, this is not a design that I created. Okay, let's add this one. It's for like a book that I was designing. So of course, this is not a design. However, you should upload a design. It is just a random photo just for the sake of this video to show you. Now it's uploaded and it is shown here. We can edit it here. We can add tags. So you want to add like art work, okay, and a custom graphic design. Okay, and you can add as many tags as you want, and you can also describe this image and enter a text. Now in your project here, you can add or insert media. You can insert more images, a text, a grid, a video. So let's insert a text, and we can go ahead and click on it to edit it, as well as click on the image itself. So let's here insert the text up, not down. So let's insert it. So here is my design, for example, and you can select it and edit the font, the paragraph here as a header. Let's make a header. Now let's align it in the middle. Let's choose a font and also choose a font size. We can choose to be underlined and so on. And we can also choose a text color. So let's make it red. Okay. Now looking good. And we can also edit the image. So reorder it, add caption, replace image, or delete it. And here we can view our style. So we can change the style of the image. So the background color, we can make it black. And the content spacing, we can increase or decrease the space. And here the design looks good. Okay. Now, once you are happy, you can click on continue or save it as a draft or view a preview of your work here. As you can see, this is how your project will look like. Okay, looking good. Let's close the preview, and then you want to continue and add a project title. So let's name it a test project. Tags, let's add as many tags as you want. And a quick tip that I can give you is to not use some general text. So don't use like artwork, like enter a specific tag. So like book design, for example, book cover artwork. If you are like designing, let's say I'm designing a book cover. This is a design for a book cover. Okay, and you can choose the category. So graphic design, product design. Okay, and visibility, of course, you want it to be visible for everyone if this is a word that you want to promote. And then click on publish. Okay, and now it says I will not be able to share it because I haven't verified my email. So, okay, so I will not do this right now. However, I showed you how to do it. And once you verify your email, you can go ahead and continue to your dashboard, and you should be able to see your project right there. And you can also create more projects to share. And that's how easy it is to create your portfolio on Behance.